Just switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat in the food chain.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you never miss a single video. It comes with a thank you card, a weaving cap, here's what the wig looks like. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Here's what the parting space looks like. You do get minimum shedding. It doesn't have shine to it, and this wig was $21.99 from Amazon. Shipping was 2 days. Now I'm going to use my concealer. Now I'm going to go in with Aussie Mousse to give it that wet look. Here's what the lips look like on me. It's giving me human hair vibes.